Let's look at a word problem. Example 8. The sun produces 3.9 times 10 to the 33rd power ERGs per second of radiant energy. How much energy does it produce in 1 year? 1 year is equal to 3.1 times 10 to the 7th seconds. So we're going to take the amount that it produces in 1 second and multiply it by how many seconds there are in a year to figure out how much energy it produces in a total year. So let's first begin by writing our multiplication problem. So we're going to have 3.9 times 10 to the 33rd power times 3.1 times 10 to the 7th power. Alright, so we begin step 1 by multiplying 3.9 times 3.1. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to do 3.9 times 3.1. Remember, we are not using a calculator in Unit 1, so we need to make sure that we can remember how to multiply these decimals. So here we go. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. I add a 0. Now I'll do this second digit. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Then we're going to add. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So 1, 2, 0, 9. 1, 2, 0, 9. And I have 1 decimal place on the top and 1 decimal place on the bottom. So I'm going to go 1, 2 decimal places. And so we get 12.09. Next, we're going to do our powers of 10 using our exponent rule, which is keep the base 10 and add the exponents. So we're going to do 33 plus 7. So that gives me 12.09 times 10 to the 33 plus 7 is 40. Alright, last step is to make sure this is correctly written in scientific notation, and it's not because 12.09 is not between 1 and 10. So I'm going to have to move that decimal 1 place to the left to make it 1.209. And when we go to the left one, we have to add 1 to our exponent. So we get times 10 to the 41st power. So now our final answer is 1.209 times 10 to the 41st power.